Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to change your email in Dark War Survival, and to do so it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now first open your game on your phone and then go to your profile button. After that go to settings in the bottom corner here, so settings, and here go to support. So actually what we will do is just contact support to let them know that you want to change our email. So click on support here and then click on customer service. Now obviously this is a chatbot, so you will tell him to change your email, click OK and send, and here it will tell you if you wish to contact a live customer service representative, please click the customer service button below. So if you want to chat to an actual person, just go to customer service. Now this is a task that the AI can do for now on Dark War Survival, so you'll have to contact someone. Now what you will do when you contact the customer service is tell them about your contact details, so the email, the password, the telephone number, the phone number that you have associated to your Dark War Survival account, every detail that proves that you are the owner of the account. You have to give it to them so that they are sure that you are actually the owner of the account, that you have not hacked it or anything like that. Now, if you have any suspicious acting during the talk with the customer service guy, then they may not accept the request from you and they may disconnect you from your account just by security, just to protect the account. So be careful about that. You have also to provide them with the new email and the new password, and you should be good after that. Now, there's no way of doing that, of changing the email other than contacting the support as of now, as of the time that I'm filming this tutorial. So yeah, that's the only way, and it's pretty easy. It should be done in around 15 minutes. So yeah, that's good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.